It was over there. Oh damn it, I can't get all angles. To us, we can't even see the ones over there.
There was one spot on there.
Yeah, I'm going on camera. Oh, wait, no. You can see Camborne train station over there. Oh, you should have brought your phone, Lily.
Huh?
You should have brought your phone.
I do not trust that phone because mine doesn't have a phone case like yours, does it?
No, but you still could have brought it. You could have.
It's so very small.
It's similar size to what mine is.
Oh.
There's some over there. There's like two behind us.
Wait, this is so sketchy.
It's only sketchy because it's dark. Right, then I feel like there was probably some over there. I mean, Camborne train station's down that way. Let's stay a bit longer.
I really wish Hartlands was still
Open. Because there's fairground rides as well.
Yeah, the one. Which one do I want? That one or that one?
I don't know, I have the same problem with my recording, Lily.
What? What?
You can't even see us on camera, Lily, because it's that dark and there's no lighting up there. We're in between like two bloody fireworks.
Yeah, I'm so happy that I didn't bring Daisy. God, that scared me, stupid thing.
It's only because it's dark, Lily. Yeah, Lily. So Camborne train station's down there. That's like towards like Penzance, St Ives. If you want to go Redruth onwards, it's over that way. Let's go towards that way.
Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, no. You sure this is safe?
People walk across it all the time.
No.
Also, you've got my hand. You're fine. Feels like it might be concrete. Lily, it's fine. It's fine. Just going to see if we could see the fireworks closer, but I don't think we're going to be able to see those ones closer.
Oh, do you want to go?
Yeah, we can go.